I know it's been a while. But what's up, niggas? Boy, my last video was 2 years ago. I know what y'all thinking, though.
Ain't heard from you in a while. Where you been?
Man, shit been crazy. But shit, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV of the Charger. I still ain't did nothing to it yet. You know what I'm saying? It's still a little stock. Well, we about to get back into it though. Still a little silver. I had to take the black rims off. I know y'all seen it in the old videos with WAD. I hope y'all subscribe to that. Still supporting, doing something. I can't find a damn key. Damn. Hold on, here we go. Close the door, Trent. A little hot start, cause dang. It's a hot start, cause we've been riding around all day in this mug, bruh. And when I say all day, I mean all day. All day, cause I had to get the window fixed. Cause I had to get the window fixed cause niggas in Charlotte just, boy, nigga try breaking my shit. Like, what the fuck, boy? How you gonna try breaking my stuff? But we gonna do a little POV, quick little POV, ride around city. We gotta turn the air on though, cause it's hot. It's hot. It's a little hot. Damn. I really, bruh, that boy Demetrius keep telling me driving sport, bruh. I just can't. I'm not used to pushing that button, but we gonna push it today though. Roll the windows down cause I just got them tinted too. That's the bad part. Bro, I can't believe, like, when they try to break into it, bro, they left 3 little cracks in it. And over time they got worse and worse. They try to break in over there too. It was like, bro, like, y'all not even good thieves. Like, what the fuck? Y'all don't even know what y'all doing. I gotta see. Uh-oh. Oh, my car come. That thing sound good. Yeah, bro, that's what's been going on. I haven't done nothing in 2 years to this car, cause, bro, first I had to go through school. I was just bullshitting the whole time. So shit, I really ain't do nothing except go work. That's why you don't really see nothing done with this. My nigga Derek, he been working on that Mustang. The Demetrius Charger look better than mine. I'm like, damn, bro, I ain't did nothing. We done went to all these car shows. All I've been doing is being jealous of these niggas, cause I haven't done nothing to my car. Hey, bro, but I'm in Charlotte now, niggas. I done moved to Charlotte. Trying to see what this car scene about, cause it was man, I know Charlotte car scene lit. I know that mug is lit. If y'all watching this, hit a nigga up, bro. Shit, I'm trying to go to these little car meets. I'm really trying to find me some bumpers put on this mug. I'm tired of this factory T-grill. That shit is ugly, man. We trying not to spend too much money, cause shit is expensive at this mug. No cap, my god. Shit, inflation is fucking up. These niggas are always driving slow. I'm back at home right now. These niggas are always driving slow. It just don't matter what they're doing. It could be old folks. It's mostly the old folks. The old folks don't know what they doing. They need to stop driving. Put this shit up. Put them shits up. Nigga, that motherfucker right there though, if y'all can see it, that motherfucker right there, that bitch bad. I don't know what they doing with it, but that bitch bad. I heard that bitch coming down the road the other day. That boy was like, shit. Look at this gap. I wish y'all could see that bitch. Look at that gap. Look at that gap. Big, get your ass up there, boy. Damn. More loud. This little Dodge thing, boy. I would roll the window down, but I can't cut the motherfucking tents. Motherfucking tent make this shit look good. But really, bro, I'm back at home, chilling, driving around. Ain't really shit here to do, but I am going to Charlotte this week, so we gotta do another POV of driving through the city. I still haven't done that before. Shit, cause I don't know where the fuck I be going. The whole time in the video, all you gonna hear is Siri, turn left, turn right. Really trying to figure out what I should get next though. I wanna get a little Honda, no cap, little gas saver. Cause a charger doesn't cost that much. A charger costs about like $50, $60 to fill it up from E. Depending on what you get though. You get, cause I always put 93 in this bitch. Oh, slow ass. Oh no, that's a white lady. She looking like, what the fuck is he touring, bitch? Fuck you looking at? Don't look at my car. Also, I need y'all to comment, like, subscribe, comment what y'all want to see next. I'm gonna try to keep doing this shit. Matter of fact, I am. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh Lord. Next time I'm gonna get the GoPro do this shit. This camera heavy than a hoe. I need to stop making that noise too. Oh my god. Every nigga got one weird noise they make, I promise you. If it's just me, I'm just weird, but there's a few niggas out here that have a weird noise that they do. I promise you. I'm not. You think this nigga gonna try to race me? Yes, this nigga's gonna try to race me. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga. Do he not know I am in sport? Oh, I hope you was not trying to race on fucking 70. What was that? You know what's even worse? I can't even roll the window down to talk to this nigga. Damn, that's fucked up. I can't even talk to this nigga if oh, this shit broke. Bro, tell me why to stand. Watch, he ducking and dodging out there. Look at this nigga. Don't get in front. Fuck. Oh, he gonna get in front of him. That's fucked up. Oh. I'm telling y'all niggas in Burlington can't drive. Oh, wait till I get to fucking Charlotte. Boy, you think niggas can't drive? You ain't seen Charlotte yet. Niggas running red lights, straight red lights. Like, it's been green for like a minute, and this nigga still ran that bitch. My nigga still beside me. We up here cruising. I don't even know this nigga, but he been beside me the whole time. Oh shit. Boy, I was about to That bitch sound good. What that little white kid say? Bro, I hope he don't roll his window down, cause I'm about to roll the back window down. Put this bitch in manual. I like that the Chargers, they let you put your shit in manual. Let you put your shit in manual and this shit downshift by itself. That shit tough. That bitch tough. Cause a nigga don't know how to drive a manual. I could have learned. But I just never did. My dad just sold the car. I could learn TJ shit, but no. I knew this nigga was gonna stop right here. That's what I'm about to do right there. But guys, this is it for this POV. Oh, I fixed it. This is it for this POV, bro. We're gonna do some more. Well, I ain't gonna promise you. We're gonna do some more though. We got to, cause we gotta get some things shaking. I gotta tell y'all all the stuff I got going on, bro. I got Twitch going. I got the music going. If you're ever in Carolina, boy, if you ever in Jesus Cross, you gotta come to one of the bonfires, man. You gotta come to one of the bonfires, man. You got to. Them things lit every time. Last time we had Wile Coyote at that mug. And if you know who Wile Coyote is, exactly. That's that boy. We got WAD. Follow, like, comment on that page. Follow, like, comment on this page. And that's it. Say goodbye, Lana. I'm sorry, she can't say goodbye because I'm right in front of the police station. Exactly. Can't rev. Them niggas is on our ass. But I'll catch y'all later. Bye.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony, you crazy fool.